So the junior doctors who are protesting will hold a rally in Kolkata today at 4 p.m. The doctors will march towards the West Bengal Health Department. Sabyasachi continues to stay live with us. Sabyasachi, the standoff between the protesting doctors and the Chief Minister still continues. Time and again, there have been attempts to hold a meeting. The doctors had initially put forth some demands. It was not met. So what's expected now? Because now they're holding a rally. This comes after the Chief Minister said that we are ready to hold a meeting, but we're not giving in to all their demands.
Well, that's right. The junior doctors would be holding a massive rally today from Salt Lake to Shastri Bhavan. Meanwhile, the junior doctors has been protesting for consecutive days in front of the Shastri Bhavan. See, yesterday also there was a standoff that was seen between Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and the junior doctors. In fact, the visuals of Mamata Banerjee standing right in front of her residence in Kalighat in Kolkata, and the junior doctors were standing outside her residence in Kalighat. Now, after the standoff, Mamata Banerjee went towards the protesting doctors. Mamata Banerjee said that there has been attempts from the state government to address the issues of the protesting doctors. If the protesting doctors does not want to hold a meeting, then they should come inside her residence, at least have a cup of tea. Now, the major tussle between the state government and the junior doctors have been going on regarding the live streaming of the meeting. Now, two letters had been sent in by the Chief Secretary himself asking the junior doctors to join the meeting with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Now, yesterday also regarding the live streaming, the controversy still went on as the junior doctors demanded that there should be a live streaming, to which the state administration said that the live streaming cannot be allowed. After which the junior doctors asked that whether they can record the proceedings of the meeting, and they would not share the details in public, to which the state administration also declined, stating that the matter is going on in Shialda Court, in the Calcutta High Court, as well as in the Supreme Court, and under these circumstances the recordings cannot be made public. Now, the junior doctors also alleged that they wanted to note down minute by minute proceedings of the meeting, to which the state government administration said that now the time of the meeting is over and the next time would be told to them. So clearly the standoff between the state government as well as the junior doctors continues. Meanwhile, Mamata Banerjee has assured the junior doctors that all their demands will be listened in, and Mamata Banerjee will be discussing it with all their stakeholders, and right decision will be taken in by the state government. If anybody is found responsible, he or she will be punished by the state government.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, thank you for joining us with those details. A lot expected today, and we'll come back to you for those updates.